If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online Plus makes printing lists quick and easy. At the top of each list is a print button that looks like a printer. Clicking this button opens a new page or tab in your web browser and shows the list in a printer-friendly format. It also automatically opens your browser's print dialog box. Simply click the Print or OK button in the print dialog box to print the list. After printing the list, close the window or tab to then return to the QuickBooks Online Plus window or tab. The only exception to this is the Employees list. To print the Employees list, click Reports in the navigation bar. Then click the Standard Reports tab in the page that opens to the right if needed. In this page, start typing Employee Contact List into the Type Report Name Here search bar at the top of the page, and then click that report name in the result list that appears below the search bar to open it. On the report page, click the More Actions drop-down button in the upper right corner and choose the Print/Save as PDF command to open a printer-friendly version of the employee directory in a new window. Set the print layout options at the left side of the window. To download the report, then click the Save as PDF button. Alternatively, to print the report, click the Print button in the toolbar above the PDF preview to open your computer's Print dialog box, where you can then print the report. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.